Hello, my name is Matthew Huber, and for my engineering design, I chose to design some shopping cart brakes. And I chose this design because I work at Target as a cart pusher, and I think that this is something that me and my coworkers and possibly some other people at other grocery stores or retail centers could use. And the problem is in these carts, whenever we go to get them, we have to leave some other carts in the road, and because the parking lot has a slant, if we leave them too long or there's not enough friction, then they tend to roll down the hill, and it causes some danger to some of the cars that are in the parking spots or any customers that are trying to walk through the parking lot. And there's no good way for us to stop these carts. And so this solution, it would be targeted towards retail stores, and it's going to benefit the workers because it'll make our jobs easier, and it benefits the customers because it keeps their vehicles and maybe their kids or themselves safe from stranded carts in the road. Current products that are offered are tethers that you can connect to the carts, but this only works if you are far enough away to have tension on the rope to keep the carts from rolling away, and you have to be like in a specific spot, so you can't go get more carts while keeping the carts in place. Also, you are limited by the length of your rope, so it would only work for so many carts, whereas if we were to create a new solution, a possible braking system, then it wouldn't matter how many carts you have. So the solution is going to be very similar to like a doorstop. It's going to be a wedge that fits right under the tires of the cart in front, since they stack on top of each other. And I took this from a doorstop because it has a lot of the qualities that you want. Like, for one, it's very simple. So it's not going to have like a ton of technology involved or a bunch of things that can go wrong with the design while you're outside. It's going to be made of rubber because it has a very high durability and high friction to keep it from sliding on the road. And rubber is also very cheap to manufacture. So these things would be disposable, so you're not going to worry about them getting stolen outside or breaking after a few seasons. Because it's made of rubber and it's going to be made pretty cheaply, they'll be very easy to replace. And you can't just use like normal doorstop wedges right now because they don't have enough surface area on the bottom to keep the friction in place. So yeah, this bigger solution, this bigger design is going to allow the shopping carts to put a lot more force on this without it sliding, rather than like a small doorstop. You can see the dimensions, it's pretty big, and I wanted it to make it wide enough so I could support both wheels of the shopping cart. So to test this, we would distribute it to retailers, specifically retailers that have a lot of like shopping carts going in and out. So like Target, Walmart, Kroger, Crest, and theoretically we could give them these for free to let them test before they have to buy them, and they would provide feedback, and we could work out any kinks or any problems with the design or materials. And it would really be nice to get firsthand feedback from people that are using the design each and every day. So are there any questions?